Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Gun. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Cirrus gun cleaning mat. And this is the pistol cleaning mat. Okay, they also make them for rifles and AR-15s. So let me show you what it looks like. It's got a really nice silkscreen display on it. Okay, and this is available in a wide variety of firearm schematics for many different make and model guns. The link is in the description. Please check them out. They have one of these for almost everything. They also make rifle cleaning mats. But I own more pistols than rifles, so I wanted a pistol cleaning mat. It's got a really nice smooth surface, a nice non-slip rubber backing. It's waterproof and oil resistant, so when you're cleaning your firearm, if you spill cleaning solvent on it, it's not going to leak through and ruin your table or your workbench, which is why you need one of these. Instead of using an old pair of jeans and a towel, this is the way to go. They also make custom gun cleaning mats, and they have so many different styles. I mean, you just have to see them for yourself. Now, it's a little flimsier than I would like it to be, but it's about the same thickness as most of the other ones, about 1/8 of an inch thick. But it's not a bad thing, because what that allows you to do is roll this up really tight, and you can even throw it in your range bag. This has a lot of other uses too, besides just using it as a gun cleaning mat. When I'm reloading ammunition at my reloading bench, I dump all my brass on here and I sort my brass. I have one of these on my nightstand so that when I put my keys and my firearm on the nightstand, I don't scratch it up. And honestly, at the price of these, if you wanted to, you could even cut it out and use it as a mouse pad. I mean, you're not stuck to just using this as a gun cleaning mat. They're made in the USA. We gotta like that. They're a family-owned company. So if you're still using a pair of old jeans or a towel and you want a real gun cleaning mat, check out these beautiful mats from Cirrus Gear. They're super durable and heavy duty. Pretty much virtually indestructible. These things will last you a long time. Now this one just happens to have the most common handgun cartridge calibers on it. But if you own a Glock or a Smith & Wesson or a Ruger or a Taurus or a Colt or a Kimber, the list goes on and on and on. They have cleaning mats with diagrams of all of those firearms. They have USA flags, the Punisher, and for the price of these things, it's a great buy. So check out Cirrus Gear. Tell them Pro Gun sent you. Thanks for watching.